Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today, I got here my first Calamity Gundam, but this is not a Bandai. This is a bootleg version, and this is your MH-01. And I really like the box of this kit. So this kit is your typical bootleg appearance. The box is the typical bootleg appearance, but the only thing unique with this box is this Aurora Borealis design compared with the cheap brown box with just the code in the front. So let's check this kit out and let's see if this Calamity Gundam bootleg has an edge with the Bandai full mechanics version. So check this kit out and let's see what this kit has to offer us. Fangenviraan loose kits. MH-01 and there, I really like the box appearance here. We can see the Aurora Borealis thing there, and we got the stars, blah blah blah, and the side of the box only black color, even here, even there. So in short, this is a simple box with this Aurora Borealis picture. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, which has the same design with the front box cover. We can see the MH-01 and the Aurora Borealis. And if we open the box here, we can see instruction sequence or patterns there. So I don't have the full mechanics of the Calamity Gundam yet, but let me ask you, if is the manual the same with this kind of printout here? Okay, and I bet this is just the direct copy of the Bandai one. So there we can see the parts list. Okay, so judging the appearance of the list here, it's not that complicated. It's not that much. Okay, so there we can see the assembling pattern here or sequence. It's not that it's not that hard. Feels like you're just building a high grade kit, and of course full mechanics is not the same with the master grade. They are just 1/100 scale. So I've built many 1/100 scale as well, so this is not a hard kit to build. So this will be a beginner friendly kit. So there we got this patterns for the placement of decals. So let's go with the packs. So there we got package 1 here, first package. As you can see, this is what I like with the bootleg brands nowadays. We got this kind of wrapper, same with the Bandai packaging, and the plastic quality of this wrapper is the same with the Bandai as well. So kudos to Chinese now. I just want to address my Japanese viewers. So if you understand what I'm saying here, please don't be mad if I am buying a bootleg version. For me, it's not just the Bandai who creates good kit, but also Chinese are improving. So I am not a purist Bandai nowadays. Before I was a purist Bandai, but I changed my principles that it's not about Bandai, it's about the passion. So if I want to buy Chinese model kits, let just let me buy it, because that's for me. Chinese kits are good nowadays. So sorry, Japanese people. Chinese is now good. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, so there we got this second pack here for the yellow pieces here. So sorry, I just bought that topic because I got one annoying comment from one of a Japanese viewer in my channel. Anyway, too bad for him. Chinese is good now. Okay, so there we got the third pack. Fourth pack. By the way, I don't know what's this thing here. We got the effect parts here, as you can see. There we got effect parts, pink effect parts, and we got, what's this, water slide decals and dry transfer decals. Very nice for this kit. So it has the water slide and dry transfer, so it's up to you if you want dry or water slide. Very good. Kudos to this kit. Okay. So we got this fourth, fifth pack and sixth pack here. Okay, as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So first of all, let's take some inspection with the plastic here. So the plastic is a matted one, and the quality and texture of the plastic is a bit nice, and it's in par with the original, with the Bandai. So the only difference is Bandai has this kind of mold marks on their plastic, but this kit, as I observe, or this plastic here, seems to have no mold marks, which is very good. This is very kudos for this Chinese company. So there we got runner H2 for this kind of green colored shading here, which is very nice. I really like this Calamity Gundam shading here. So we got here runner F1 for this gray part here, and the feel of this plastic seems to be spray coated with matted paint, but no, it's not spray coated. I just feel the same with these spray coated paint plastic, but no, the plastic is hard as well. It's not that brittle, and there are some, undergates there, which is good. Okay, so we got here runner B2 for this blue-green color shade here, runner C1, and runner B1 for the blue-green shade. Okay, so we got here this military colored green, runner D2, and there we got this runner D1 for this military colored green for the shield and the torso parts, and we got runner A for the yellow parts here. So this yellow here, it's not your typical McDonald's yellow, but it's a bit orangey yellow. And there we got this runner A again for this military colored green. We got this runner C2 for this light gray colored plastic, and again light gray colored plastic for runner. There's no runner name for this one. Anyway, it's the same with the cannon. Yep. And we got here this big runner here for the inner frame parts, and this is your there's no runner name. Yeah, this one, runner E1. So I got confused with that tagging there. And we got here runner E2 for the inner frame parts. Very nice. And we got here this glossy red pieces here for the Canon exhaust, and this is your runner G2, which is very cool. Yep. And there we got this gray colored runner for the bazooka. This is runner G1. And we got this big chunky parts here for this kind of green colored runner. This is runner H1. And this is your runner, again, another runner A for the blue-green shade of plastic. And for the small pieces here, we got this runner A for the torso parts. So this is the vents for the torso. There we go. And we got this clear piece here for the eyes. Yep. And we got this clear parts, so I don't know where to attach this, and I think this one for the effect parts for beam sabers or shooting effect parts, I don't know. Anyway, I got this kind of blue bursting effect here, and also this pink here for maybe beam saber effect or something. Anyway, and we got this foil sticker for the eyes, camera lenses, and this is what I really like here. Sorry for my first narration. I said dry transfer decals. No, this is not dry transfer, but clear sticker decal. So sorry for that. So this is a clear sticker decals, and we got water slide decals, and they're the same. So it's up to you if you want to use the water slide or this clear sticker one. So for me, I might use the clear sticker for this one, and I might reserve this water slide for other kits that I will build. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the MH-01 or the Calamity Gundam Full Mechanics 1/100 scale. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless. Take care. Happy building.